spending hours to learn and practice on how to draw Siren Eyeliner, but this is what you got instead of this. Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Siren Eyeliner on my hooded eyes. If you love the Foxy Eyeliner, you may enjoy this as well because they look quite similar. Let's begin with the first step. I prep my eyes with the Milani eye primer. I apply it with my finger all over my lid. Usually, I will set the eye primer with powder, but because I will use an eyeshadow stick today, it's better to skip the powder. Besides, this eye primer can set itself pretty well. Then I quickly apply my eyeshadow and move to the liner. I'm using the NYX Retractable Eyeliner Pencil in brown today. Before applying, make sure to sharpen the eyeliner pencil. It's the key to achieve a sharp and precise eyeliner. Now I look straight to the mirror and imagine there's a line connecting the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. Then I start drawing the liner by extending that line. Everyone's eye shape is not the same, so you may adjust the angle of the eyeliner accordingly. And always step back and check if you're okay with the direction of the liner or not. With my hooded eyes, it will be more flattering when I keep the liner away from the fold. I'm making the liner longer than I normally do to help elongate the eyes and thicken it up slowly by dragging the liner towards the eye, keeping it really close to the lash line and stop when I reach the iris. Then I start highlighting my upper waterline instead of drawing the liner all the way up to my inner corner. This can help make my eyes appear more defined without adding extra bulk to the eyeliner and save the lid space. Then I draw the liner on the lower lash line, only at the outer half as I want to create some depth to my eye. If I draw it all the way up to the inner corner, it will close up my eye, and it's not what I'm going for. After that, I use an angle brush to soften it out and kind of connect it to the upper liner. Now moving to the inner corner liner. I just sharpen the pencil again so that it is pointed and will help create a thin, clean line. First, I create a liner by extending my inner upper lash line. If you have the fold at the inner corner like mine, you can stretch out the skin a little bit like I do. Now, do you remember the imaginary line from before? That's the direction we want the liner to go, so the eye will look more cohesive. So I just extend the liner in that direction towards my nose. Step back and see if the inner and outer liner are in the same direction. This step requires a lot of patience, so just take your time. Then you can connect the liner to your lower lash line, but I skip it because I don't like how it looks on me. After that, I finish up with coloring my lashes and applying the mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Just have a look at the before and after. Here's the finished look with the false lashes on. For my hooded eyes, I always choose the lashes that are wispy or sparse, not too dense, so that they won't cover all the eye makeup that I'm having on. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!